Oh, it's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. All right. Tape it up. This is a carry-on. Has everything been over?
Except for one.
Oh, Lord. All right, let me put this phone down. We got too much going on. We had so many bags. Every bag was overweight. And this is what I'm carrying on. Every bag was like 65 pounds. Shout out to Southwest. You guys like really hold me down. Man, you guys have no idea how crazy it was to get those bags checked in. But we definitely made it to our flight. I'm so tired. I'm about to put these on and knock out.
We have attention for just a few more minutes while I bring from the safety feature for 737 800 series aircraft. I'd like to follow along. There's a safety information card located in your seat back pocket. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat metal into the buckle. To adjust, pull on the loose strap. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be 101 tight across your hip.
We made it. We made it. I'm getting everything. Let's go. Nancy, we here. Let's go. All right, baby. Pick one, A or B. Yeah, take B. All right, let's go. All right, Pumpkin, jump in. Oh, wash my hat, bro.
I didn't kind of like that.
No, it wasn't you, it's the guy. Oh, Big Daddy. Whew. Hey guys, time to get to our apartment. So we're already trying to unpack and get stuff rolling before the furniture comes in. Whew. I'm already in this closet trying to line my stuff up, figure this out. Oh yeah, I already kind of got a couple things in here, so let me keep going. Still a couple more hours to go. I can do it. So I'm back at the hotel. Oh man, it's been a crazy day today. Like hair, yeah, whatever. Anyways, so I'm back at the hotel. I'm actually at the hotel that the Colts rented out for camp. Oh, I just tripped. They rented it out for camp for like a month or two for camp full time, so no one else can come in here if you weren't staff. Uber Eats couldn't even drop anything off. So now that camp is over, my man still has his room, so they gave me a room right next to his for me and Gabriel, and they gave me 2 bottles of wine, which was super lit, and unlimited drinks, which I can so appreciate. And I'm literally in my travel clothes still. These clothes have been through the trenches. But I'm about to wind down and relax. Out here for us. Brought us to the back. But the good stuff is, right, G?
No.
He's like, no. You better say no.
No, this is the good stuff.
But I am definitely gonna get me a nice glass of wine, bottle
This
of
is the
wine.
good stuff for me.
What's the good stuff?
Yeah. Water and chocolate milk. Look at glasses.
So I got a red and a white. I'm gonna crack open that white tonight. Then my man gets home tomorrow and I miss him so much. We're gonna crack open that red. Oh, so excited. It's been a good day. It's been a lot, but it's been a good day. And it's so worth it. Like, it's so worth it. To be honest, like, I miss doing, to be honest, I'm just about to relax, take a shower, look at my pores, like, I am looking at my best. But this is my YouTube, and I'm trying to keep it funky and real with you guys. I'm so tired of this mask, but it's okay. I do what I gotta do. I'm about to finally wind down, literally wind down, and just chill. Gabe's gonna jump on the beds, be a kid. Me, I'm about to shower and relax. All right, guys, I'll hit you tomorrow. Show you where we're at with the apartment and just where we're at with everything. And tomorrow's game day. Yes, my man's playing tomorrow. I'm so excited. They literally put our rooms next door to each other. All right. I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right. All right, I'm back. Freshly showered, feeling good. How does this kid have so much energy after our crazy encounters and like traveling today? How does this kid have this much energy? That's okay, because I'm so comfortable. Get some better lighting. Oh, I put my moisturizer on. Wait a minute, hold up. Got to moisturize.